I'm gonna fall down and come with that. I'm gonna stand up falling off, going straight up with Jack. Just a little too much and I'm having a little too much fun, man. Hold up, yes, you know I'm straight up ready to run, man. I miss my hat, I miss my glasses, I feel naked without them. But yes, I'm going to snap and just feeling so motherfucking good with these niggas, man. Yes, you rap so good, and straight up break him off with something a little what the fuck you know. Show them this is how we do it, bring it back old school.
Bring it old school, might bring it new. I done popped up with the fucking cool. Candy coated cool, candy coated sweet. Syrup on your bitch, she candy coated free. You know what I'm saying? I should like to lick it up. I don't really be giving a fuck. It's that boy Dilla got a potent cup. I'm on that motherfucking higher level. Got you brought the dignity, but I ain't brought a shovel. Hit the laws behind me, but no, I ain't in trouble. Cause I got that damn prescription on me on the double. On the double, that's the double time, homie. Hoes are my meat, hoes are my Maloney. Nigga, yeah, my spam. Nigga, I'm the man. I don't give a fuck, it's gon' chop like that Lieutenant Dan. Forrest Gump. Bitch, I popped the trunk. I don't really be giving a fuck about a hating ass punk, hating ass bopper. Kick it like a game of soccer. I'ma break up my proper. Got a fucking script from the doctor. What's up, doc? I'm about to get a couple more. I done popped up twice. Pop a double G ho. Pop a double G at the double tree. Talk about the damn what motel. It's the boy Dylan, man. I'm staking more mail. Get the dro scale. Break that hoe, homie. I don't give a fuck. About to pass it. I'm on it.
Cause he's on it. You boys know I'm steady coming through and I'm sipping up on it. These niggas don't only see me cause I'm coming down so clean. Motherfucking shooting my machine. Got the red beam on these hoes. Steady coming down and I'm standing on 10 toes. Chopping game position cause I'm on that fucking mission to get the what motherfucking the what that expedition. Man,
yeah.
My nigga finna pass the mic.
Hold up. Hold up. Pass that shit. Pass that shit.
We on the damn expedition. My palms still itching. While I sleep up in the kitchen. While I live up in the kitchen. While these hoes are still bitching. I don't give a fuck. I'm though my mind frame is glitching. Gone. Debug them. Man, I said fuck them. We don't give a fuck. Been them over, fucking tuck them in the trunk. Dead body stunk. Never been no punk. Can you feel that Southside funk? That's that shit we saying. Boys ain't playing. Dead bodies laying. AK street sweeper fucking spraying. Them boys is fucking raw. And the game is uncut. You better grab your hoe. You better cuff your slut. Cause we out here snatching hoes and taking them back to the room. Southside players in the Legion of Doom. Man.
Legion of Doom. Make your bitch my witch, yeah, she likes to ride my broom. I dream a teeny, make a wish for a bottle. I'm talking about a codeine shit, full throttle. Hell yeah, I'm on that shit, talking codeine. Eyes low, creeping slow, getting flagged by dolphins. They flag me down at 3 in the morning. It's the boy Dylan just serving fiends while I yawn. Almost fell off, it's the boy Dylan, man, I'm not have no cough.